Hello everyone, your Reshmi here from Your Rice Person. So you all are doing very good today. Thank you so much for your support, cooperation, help, feedback, nice feedback, your guidelines. Thanks a lot. Please keep it up. And today I have selected some exclusive party looks, a party look collections, very beautiful one, elegant one. So let me display bright, beautiful one. Very bright color combinations, blue shade, premium quality, pure handloom, linen by cotton weaving with fine weaving, Banarasi work, very smart weaving design. This one full base part, bright fresh looks, best for your party wear, wedding functions. This one fine weaving, fully hand weaving, Banarasi work border, very smart one. And this one full base part, beautiful weaving butta design with contrast color highlighted butta, very smart elegant one, very soft, comfortable, trendy, bright looks. This one running blouse piece, contrast color and fine weaving border design, Banarasi weaving border, fully hand weaving. And this one full pallu part, beautiful smart looks, fine weaving brocade pattern weaving design, golden zari fine weaving design, pallu, soft, comfortable, smart, bright looks. This one is brocade pattern weaving design pallu, and this one is fine weaving butta work, and this one is full base part, bright looks, best for your party wear. And I will suggest this silk material butta work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding bright looks. This one also same material, bright fresh magenta pink color with beautiful weaving, Banarasi weaving butta and border, very smart bright looks, premium quality, pure handloom, linen by cotton weaving with beautiful fine weaving design border, beautiful fine weaving border design, Banarasi work border, and full base part is butta design, very smart elegant bright looks, fresh magenta pink shade. This one running blouse piece, contrast color, fresh orange shade running blouse piece. And this one full base part and pallu portions, beautiful golden zari brocade pattern weaving design pallu, very soft, comfortable, smart looks. This one is full base and this one is pallu, very trendy bright one, best for your party wear, bright gorgeous looks. And I will suggest this silk material, fine brocade pattern weaving design, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding looks, bright fresh party looks. This one also black base golden zari work, same pattern, same work, different color only, black color, black with golden zari, very bright attractive one, best for your party wear, evening party, wedding functions, very nice one. This one border portions, fine golden zari weaving design, Banarasi work border, and this one is full base part, premium quality, pure handloom, linen by cotton with beautiful weaving butta design, fully hand weaving work. And this one pallu, but pallu is a very beautiful one, brocade pattern, golden zari fine weaving design pallu. And this one is full base part, soft, comfortable, smart, bright looks, full base part is beautiful weaving butta design. And this one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base, soft, comfortable, smart, bright looks, best for your party wear. And I will suggest this silk material heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding looks. Very beautiful one, premium quality, export quality, khadi, pure khadi, with beautiful weaving design, fine weaving design, contrast border, very smart elegant look. This one full base part, this one is border portions, contrast color border, and full base part is fine weaving butta design, fully hand weaving work, fully hand weaving work, pure khadi, premium quality, export quality khadi with contrast border. And this one pallu, but pallu also very beautiful elegant one, fine hand weaving butta design with stripes pattern pallu, very comfortable one, soft elegant looks, very elegant one. This one full base part, premium quality, pure handloom khadi, export quality, pure khadi, khadi by khadi. This one running blouse piece, contrast color, black shaded, gray shaded, and this one is full base part. This one is border portions, very elegant, trendy, smart looks. And I will suggest this cotton fabric, beautiful weaving, fine weaving butta work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding elegant looks. This one also, you know, very exclusive one. Pure Tasar by cotton weaving with fine hand weaving jamdani work, fully hand weaving traditional jamdani work. Very nice one, soft, comfortable, without running blouse piece, only sari length. This one, you know, border portion. This portion is pure Tasar border with beautiful fine hand weaving jamdani, traditional jamdani work. This one is fine weaving, fully hand weaving, and base is pure Tasar by cotton weaving, and full base part is diagonally work, jamdani work, fully hand weaving, stripes pattern. And this one, you know, pallu part, pallu in beautiful hand weaving traditional jamdani work. Very nice one, soft, comfortable, only 300 gram weight, very exclusive one. And this one, you know, full base part. This one is border portions, traditional Dhakai jamdani weaving border, pure Tasar by Tasar border, highlighted with jamdani work. And this one is full base part, diagonally work, full base, soft, comfortable, smart, elegant looks, traditional looks, very nice one. And I will suggest this cotton fabric, beautiful printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding looks, very traditional, trendy, smart one. Now very beautiful, elegant looks, very nice one. This one, you know, premium quality pure handloom charka cotton with jamdani work, traditional jamdani contrast border, very elegant, exclusive, smart looks. This one, you know, full base part, very elegant color combinations also. This one is contrast color, highlighted border, beautiful 1 inch border. And this one, you know, full base part, multicolor, fine hand weaving, traditional jamdani buta, very nice one, fully hand weaving work, very soft, comfortable, premium quality pure handloom charka cotton with jamdani buta, full base part, and without running blouse piece, only sari length. And this one, you know, pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, traditional hand weaving jamdani work, very soft, comfortable, fine hand weaving jamdani design. This one is pallu and this one is full base part, very elegant looks, fully hand weaving, fine hand weaving jamdani work, and very soft, comfortable one, only 300 gram weight, very exclusive, outstanding looks. And I will suggest this cotton fabric, beautiful printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding, smart, elegant looks. This one also, you know, beautiful one, bright looks, premium quality pure handloom cotton by cotton with khadi kota doria weaving, very beautiful one with fine weaving design, border, very nice on. This one, you know, full base part. This one is border portions, fine weaving design, hand weaving design border, contrast color. And this one is premium quality pure handloom cotton by cotton with khadi kota weaving design, full base part, very beautiful, smart looks with traditional buta weaving, hand weaving traditional buta. And this one is full base, very soft, comfortable, smart, bright, elegant looks. This one is border, fine hand weaving border design. This one is running blouse piece. And this one, you know, pallu in very beautiful heavy work, pallu. This one is pallu part, traditional bright looks, beautiful color combinations with fine hand weaving design, pallu, contrast color, highlighted stripes with beautiful weaving design. And this one is border portions, and full waist part is jamdani buta, traditional jamdani buta hand weaving, exclusive one. And I will suggest this cotton fabric, cotton silk material weaving work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding, bright, gorgeous looks, very traditional also. This one also, you know, beautiful, elegant color combination, same material, premium quality pure handloom cotton by cotton with khadi kota weaving, very exclusive, outstanding looks, you know. This one is full base part, off-white base, kota weaving, contrast shaded threaded weaving design border, fully hand weaving border design, and full base part is kota weaving, premium quality pure handloom cotton by cotton with khadi kota weaving, very nice one. This one is pallu part, fully contrast color threaded weaving design, heavy worked pallu, fully hand weaving work, very soft, comfortable hand weaving design, very smart looks, traditional also, fully hand weaving work. And this one full base part, traditional butta, full base, very exclusive one. Full base part is gota weaving, traditional butta, highlighted border. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base part. Very outstanding exclusive looks. And I will suggest this cotton fabric, beautiful printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your smart, elegant looks. Very elegant one. A very beautiful, elegant one, premium quality, pure handloom, hand spun matka, soft, comfortable, feather like soft with beautiful golden and silver zari weaving, smart work. This one fully hand weaving work with silk mark also. And this one border portions, golden and silver zari weaving design, border portions, very smart weaving pattern, fully hand weaving design, premium quality, pure handloom, hand spun matka, soft, comfortable, feather like soft with smart weaving, border design, very trendy looks. This one is full base part, this one is running blouse piece, and this one pallu part. Pallu also very beautiful one, fine golden and silver zari weaving design pallu, elegant color combinations with silk mark also. This one is full base part. This one is pallu part, and this one is full base. Border portions, very elegant one, smart, trendy looks. And I will suggest this silk material weaving butta work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding looks. This one also bright one, based for your party wear, bright green shade with contrast red border, premium quality, pure handloom matka Banarasi, contrast golden zari weaving design border, Banarasi border, and full base part is fine weaving design, golden zari weaving design butta. This one full base part, and this one is border portions, contrast color with golden zari fine weaving design Banarasi work border. And this one is full base part, bright green shade with fine golden zari weaving butta design, Banarasi butta. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base, very trendy, smart, bright looks. And this one pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, contrast color pallu, red shaded with beautiful fine golden zari weaving design pallu. Very exclusive, outstanding, bright looks, gorgeous also, based for your party wear. And I will suggest this silk material, soft silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding looks, outstanding party looks. So same material, bright color, black base, red contrast border, matka Banarasi, premium quality handloom matka, contrast red border with beautiful fine weaving Banarasi work border design. And this one full base part, black with golden zari butta, very bright, attractive one. And this one border portions, red border, contrast color with fine weaving design, Banarasi weaving design border. And this one is full base part, golden zari weaving butta design, black base matka, pure handloom matka Banarasi. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is black base, full base part. And this one pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, contrast color, red shaded with beautiful fine golden zari weaving design pallu, very smart, bright looks. This one is border portion, this one is base part, very bright one, based for your party wear, evening functions, very nice one. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy worked fully weaving, self weaving work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding, bright, gorgeous looks. This one also beautiful, elegant color combinations and weaving design also. Premium quality, pure handloom, linen by cotton with golden zari fine weaving Banarasi work border, and full base part is butta design, very smart one, soft, comfortable, based for your party wear, party looks, beautiful one. This one is golden zari fine hand weaving design border, and this one is full base part, beautiful weaving golden zari weaving butta design, very soft, comfortable, purple shade. And this one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base part. And this one pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, brocade pattern, fine weaving design, heavy worked pallu. This one is stripes, fully hand weaving golden saree weaving design pallu, and this one is full pallu portions, brocade pattern weaving design, very soft, comfortable, beautiful, smart one. Very nice one. And I will suggest this golden base self weaving work brocade pattern contrast blouse, brocade contrast blouse piece with this saree for a outstanding, bright, gorgeous party looks. This one also in a very beautiful, elegant one, premium quality, pure handloom matka base with fine weaving design, bota work, very elegant one, premium quality matka, very exclusive, outstanding look, smart one. This one, you know, full base part. This one is border portions, contrast color border, fine hand weaving Banarasi work border design, and this one, you know, pallu part. Pallu also very beautiful one, contrast color with heavy Banarasi, fully hand weaving Banarasi work pallu. Matka Banarasi premium quality matka base, soft, comfortable one. This one is pallu part, and this one, you know, full base part, very smart, trendy, bright, gorgeous looks. This one is full base part, and full base part, you know, beautiful, fine weaving buta design. This one is fully hand weaving Banarasi buta, and this one is full base part, running blouse piece, contrast color Banarasi work border. And this one is full base part, premium quality, pure handloom matka Banarasi, very exclusive, outstanding looks. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy weaving work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your trendy, bright, gorgeous party looks. Traditional also. This one also, you know, very smart, elegant, beautiful one, baby pink base, baby pink shade with beautiful weaving design, pure resham silk with fine golden and silver zari weaving buta design. This one, you know, full base part. This one is border portions, beautiful silk sequin design border. This one is border, pure fine resham silks with silk mark also. And this one, you know, full base part, golden and silver zari weaving buta design. And this one is, you know, pallu part. Pallu also very beautiful one, fine resham silk with golden and silver zari fine weaving design. And pallu end is highlighted sequential sequin design, very nice one, smart, looks. This one is full base part, pallu part, very exclusive, outstanding looks. Full base part is pure resham silk, only 300 gram weight, below 300 gram. And this one is border portions, silk sequin design, and full base part is golden and silver zari contrast weaving buta design. And this one, you know, running blouse piece, pure handloom handspun matka base running blouse piece with silk mark. This one is running blouse piece, and full base part is pure resham silk, very exclusive, outstanding looks. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your trendy looks. You know, beautiful one, premium quality, pure handloom handspun matka exclusive collections with silk sequin resham stripes, very nice one. Let me open. And parrot green shade, very exclusive, outstanding looks. This one, you know, full base part. This one is full base part, premium quality, pure handloom handspun matka base. This one is handspun matka with beautiful resham stripes with silk sequin design, very nice one. Full base part is same resham silk stripes with silk mark also. And this one, you know, pallu part. Pallu also very beautiful one, pure resham silk base pallu with sequin silk sequin stripes design with pocket weaving design work, very nice on silk sequin work. This one is beautiful, smart looks, very nice one. This one is fully weaving design, pocket weaving design, sequin work, very exclusive, outstanding looks. This one, you know, full base part, sequin stripes, resham silk sequin stripes, handloom handspun matka base, very unique, exclusive, outstanding collections. This one is stripes pattern, resham stripes, handspun matka, and exclusive looks pallu. Beautiful one with silk mark also, pure quality. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding looks, very unique one. This one also bright looks, premium quality pure handloom, linen by cotton with fine weaving design, buta work, golden zari weaving buta, very smart trendy looks, best for your party wear also. This one is full base part, this one is golden zari fine weaving buta design, purple shade, premium quality pure handloom, linen by cotton with beautiful weaving buta design, very nice one. This one is running blouse piece and this one is full base part buta design, and this one pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, fine golden zari weaving design, heavy worked pallu. This one is pallu and this one is full base part, very smart trendy bright looks, best for your party wear also. And I will suggest this silk material weaving work, soft silk material weaving work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding looks. This one also bright maroon shade, same material, same pattern, different color only, linen by cotton with buta design, high or heavy worked pallu. This one is full base part. This one is full base part, fine golden zari weaving buta design, and this one is full base, premium quality pure handloom, linen by cotton, same running blouse piece. And this one pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, heavy golden zari weaving design, heavy worked pallu, highlighted pallu, fully hand weaving work, very soft, comfortable, smart, bright looks, bright maroon shade, linen by cotton weaving with fine golden zari weaving work, fully hand weaving work, very soft, comfortable, smart, bright looks. And I will suggest this brocade work, silk material, golden base, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your party looks, bright one. Beautiful bright color combinations, purple with pink, very attractive combinations, premium quality matka base, contrast border with beautiful fine weaving Banarasi work, very nice one. This one full piece part, this one is border portions, contrast color border with fine weaving design, and this one full base part, matka base, golden zari weaving buta work, soft, comfortable, smart, bright looks. This one is full base part, and this one running blouse piece, this one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base part, fine weaving border design. This one is border, and this one pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, contrast color with fine weaving design, heavy worked pallu, soft, comfortable, smart looks. This one is pallu part and this one is full base part, bright looks, best for your party wear. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your trendy, smart, bright, gorgeous looks. And today I have draped a beautiful saree, premium quality pure handloom, handspun matka with silk weaving, texture weaving design, full base part is gicha weaving, texture weaving design, golden zari border, and base is premium quality pure handloom, handspun matka with gicha texture weaving design, very nice one, fully gicha silk, with the base is matka base, pure materials with silk mark, also golden zari border. And this one pallu part, pallu also same pattern, same texture pattern ending, very exclusive, outstanding looks, fully texture weaving design by gicha silk, golden zari border, base is premium quality pure handloom matka, exclusive, outstanding one, beautiful saree with beautiful jewelry also. If you want same saree with same jewelry, please contact through WhatsApp. Hope you will like our collection. Thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, keep browsing our website, stay healthy, have a good day. Thank you so much.